Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here. Today we gonna have some another lesson about how to install any app using command installer or using PBAs, and also we can gonna use like menu packages, and also we can converting the RPM packages to the Debian package because we using the Debian Linux, some like Ubuntu, some stuff, and also we can convert it by using the command alien. And in the last, we can use the tail save file to extract it and execute file in order to install any program in our Linux machine. So right now having I'm having my virtual machine to testing out many kinds command. Let's do some the first method. So the first method we're gonna use running installing by sudo get install. So first of all, I need to find which app should I gonna install. Today I would like to install some free application. So I'm gonna start first. It's going to be like Telegram desktop that everyone use every day. Alright, let's go and be searching for package Telegram, and then let's just grab it being the Telegram. Alright, we found it. So I need the desktop Telegram desktops. So what you're gonna do and just grab MD and copy this, and after that you can use install like this. And but inside the download in the terminal command, you can copy and pasting by Control Shift V, or you can also select on this side and Control Shift C, just like the copies of Windows, but the window using the Control C and Control V. All right, back to the middle. You can actually see what kind of library your of your Telegram desktop is going to need. They gonna need some sort of dependency, some stuff, and let's just I don't want to you guys want to watch. Just go ahead and install this. It might take a while because maybe if my internet connection is not fast enough, but yeah, it might take it like 41 seconds, which is good. Alright, as I mentioned, if you can install in by the app by using app install by this command is really it's very common for many Linux user. We can also, if we didn't have find any like packages that included our repository by the official from any source that you guys using, you guys gonna have to find using another like PPAs and also like that. Alright, in my table, it will be executing some files soon. There we go. This is progressing to install right now. Alright, finally so install the Telegram. You can just go to this install application. You can see this Telegram desktop right there. Just looks like the normal Telegram desktop. It's not really different between the Windows, but I would say it's very faster than the the Windows, but it's depend on the style. Also, if you want to using Linux for the first time, you might encounter some rare errors stuff. All right. Anyway, I just move on to another session. So I want to find thing is the pictures everything. the just editors and yep, yeah, there it is. So alright, what I did for this one. Alright, this is the one. Then I need to install that. What am I missing? Alright, right, misspell. If I take a shot, maybe I can install the last one. Should be Steam and other stuff. I think Steam would be really better also, guys. Alright, done. Let's check the app. Alright, it's working. Then this is the text. I need a photo editor for this, just like Photoshop. Also, alright, let's just turn off, and then we're gonna have to find the last one. It should be Steam. Alright, let's just Steam. Okay, then let's just install Steam. After all of that, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the application using get app get remove, and also using purge like in this P or PURAGs to remove all the dependency included with the application, sort of like that. It might take about 30 seconds with including the install launcher packages with the Steam installer. Also, yeah, it really take a while. Quickly now. Okay, once we install the complete, so we can use command to watch, to monitoring any kind of download stuff that related from Steam. Also, but you can just close the command and then open by Steam. So, but if you want to watch monitoring how they download any kind of packages, so stuff, yeah, it's alright. What's it might be like 323 megabytes. That's a lot because Steam has requires to download and install a sum of library. Just because it has open source game for free and some game do have support in Linux. I can pause the video until I message you guys until this process completes. Okay, so we finally download complete. It's now going to extract some packages right now. It might take a long journey. Yeah. Okay, we finally install Steam right now. You guys just can unlock in into the process anything. All right, all right. What's next? So we're gonna have to remove or uninstall three of these. Here it is. All right. Let's just use this PR command and then use sudo and get remove my sandwich. Try so like this and just remove the desktop. All right, it worked. All right. Once you remove using this command rule, you can using the push command in order to remove some packages. Alright, it's like we remove this now and then it sets use sudo add auto remove to remove them. Alright, sudo add auto remove. Alright, we finally uninstalled the program. Let's just go ahead and uninstall the gym with something. Sorry, I mispronounced that. Also, what about use purge to remove completely remove it? But package set package gym is not it's not installed, so not removed. They suggest to use this auto sudo add with auto remove to remove them. Yeah, it looks like we completely remove all of them. Alright, once after that, we go ahead and remove Steam. Once we done, let's use the auto remove. Alright, that's done. So that was it. This is how you guys install using the app install. So for the next section, we go ahead and using the repository by the PPA, which means is the personal packages achievement also like that. So I will see you guys in the next session. One. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this session, we go ahead and try use to install the repository by using PPA. So right now I got this URL right here in order to find the personal packages. So I'm gonna use the install. You can use this photo editor by using this PPA. Okay, I need to find, let's use this one. In order to adding repository, just follow the this command right there. Right there, just do a command and copy and paste in order to not misspelling any stuff. Alright, this one is not found. You have to use login if private. So this one is not available. Then we're gonna use this to install the OBS Studio right now. You can just right click and paste it right there. Why this one? This stuff. All right, in this, if this thing up here and then it said adding repository, just press enter in order to adding this repository. All right, finally adding this repository successful. If you now check the just use sudo app updates, check the PBA, and now it's working. Let's go ahead and install the OBS Studio by app install OBS Studio Studio. If you don't want to see the prompt set to install this, just push this option Y. So it means it's free to install. Alright, it's gonna take 2 minutes. So I'm gonna have to press the video and even until this process complete. Alright, we're back right now. So the install has been complete. It's now processed to install right now. Okay, we finally installed it. Let's check. Let's open this application to make sure it's gonna work. And now it's working. Yep. Alright, we finally installed the OBS Studio by personal packages. So let's go to the next one. Alright, the next one we're gonna go ahead and install the OpenShot Windows editors. It's most likely similar to the Adobe Premiere Pro or something. Alright, let's go ahead and add in this repository. Yep, it's available. So let's go ahead and hit enter. And it's gonna process the update packages. You can also check again to make sure that the package is currently available. Alright, what's gonna do? Just install what is it? It's called OpenShot. Alright, yeah, okay. Alright, I think I misspelled use the apt-get install. Okay, why is not package OpenShot is not available? This makes you the source. Alright, something wrong. What I use correct? I think it's another version of the OpenShot because this is the Ubuntu testing version and you could not get installed. Okay. Alright, let's move on to another package. Let's go ahead and install this Pattern Spring 2. Let's see this one work or not. I'm not bothered to actually mean like stuck in there for a while. Just install the other tools. Alright, let's go ahead and upload it. Alright, done. Let's go ahead and install this. Shift 3. It's working. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open this. This is the pasting stuff. Alright, alright, we finally installed it. Let's move on to another one. This is the 3.2. And we're not going to use that. Let's install this one. Okay, alright, let's go ahead and install this. This is like professional page layout to page maker. Huh? Alright, it's running now. Let's go ahead and open this. Open source desktop. Alright, right, we're done. Right now, for the next one, we go ahead and remove this repository. In order to remove repository, I want to make sure that I want to check something. Let's go ahead to repository this use source on this one. Let's check it out. I want to check this one, or I think this one. Maybe this one. Just use the manual source. Alright, we go ahead and scroll down. We're gonna find the repository. I think we could not find this. The repository of the personal packages that users. This is not one. Let's use. What is this dot D? Can I open this? Alright. maybe maybe like hiding away something else, but you can do research for more. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the repository right now, guys. So let's go ahead and remove this OBS Studio. First of all, we need to remove this repository. Just complete this command. We just need to use some command called option remove. So it's gonna be like this. Option remove. Which means it's gonna remove these personal packages. Okay, and now we started to remove these packages right now. Alright, it's when it's done, let's go ahead and remove the Open Studio. Yes. When it's done, let's use sudo auto remove. Alright, one down, and then let's go ahead and remove this open shut that I currently got error. Got the error right now. Alright, just remove this away from the personal package. Okay, finally, let's check the update. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and remove this one right there. This. One is done. We can finally go ahead and remove the application. Shinta Daily. Oh, it's fantastic. Oh, okay. It's not solely just normal fantastic. And then let's use the auto remove. Alright, it's here. When it's done, let's go ahead and fix the update. Alright, once we're done, let's go ahead and remove this one. Where is this? This one. Oh no, wait, I'm without how to Okay, we're done. Let's go ahead and copy this one. Which means this is the application. We can remove, and then remove all the package or remove. And we're done. And that's how we using the personal packages by this command. So in the next session, we go ahead and using the menu packages by downloading from the internet and install like like Debian some stuff. So I will see you guys in the next session. One. Alright, in the next session, we go ahead and using the menu packages. But in order to install the menu packages, we're gonna use a G Debian. So let's go ahead and sudo apt install G Debian. In this command, we're trying to processing. This is like the compiler tools to install with the Debian packages right now. Alright, in my goal today, we go ahead and install the three app at the same, at the same session. So I'm gonna try to figure out I want to install something. So I think the first one in my target, I want to install the Google Chrome in my internet machine because Google Chrome doesn't have I think I think it's we didn't have in our repository. So in order to install the Google Chrome, you have to go to the website and download that Debian package of this application. It might sound low because my voice is not good. I just got sick. Okay, we finally installed that. Let's go ahead to go to the URL. Right now, let's go to the Google Chrome. Right there. Let's download it. You can just use because we're using Ubuntu. Alright, let's just accept and install. But I don't want to click on selecting that, but I'm going to use my command. Just show our download and press it. And then I go ahead and right click and copy the download link. And then let's go to the command, let's create a screen out. Alright, I got stuck on that icon right there. Alright, it's gone. It's sudo wget and then paste the link. And now it's starting to download Google Chrome to put in my desktop something. Let me check. It should be because I don't put any directory. Maybe it should be in root somehow. Let's wait for a minute. I I just wait until it's complete. I hope this packages will be appears in the desktop. I think it would be in the root folder somehow. Oh no. Oh no. I think in I think we're in the file system right now. Oh my god. Alright, now I could use this use another command right there. Alright, just copy and paste this done. Every time I copy it done. I forgot to which directory. I mean, there he is. So let's take a while. Um, all right, well, finally installed Google Chrome right there, and then just go ahead and use the sudo to edit the Chrome stable. And once this thing up here is correct, let's go ahead and revise this process to store that. Alright, once it's done, once this file we finally install the Google Chrome. Let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and test it. Alright, finally we've finally installed the Google Chrome in our Linux. What's next? So we go ahead and you go you what am wait. Oh, this is for groups, the another photo editor. The same session, but we gonna try to find the other way to install this. Cool. Alright, let's find the Ubuntu. This one. Multi here. The link. Okay. Here. Oh no, sorry. This copy this one, and then let's go back to the command. Let's do the screen. Get here. Alright, then let's continue. Let's install it to delete. Quit. Alright, according to my experience, you can use it in PKG, but it somehow it require you to do some install some dependency also, but it might somehow it can not working in order to install. But if you're using gdbit, it's actually require some source dependency in packages in order to this application work. Alright, once we're done, let's go ahead and see right there, and there we go. We finally installed this one. Alright, let's go ahead and install another one. I'm trying to think of, let's just Telegram desktops. It's the same thing, but it's many ways to install it. Right, you can use the GX one and then go to this and here copy sudo wget oh I'm sorry. Alright, done. Press you to edit and then Telegram. Alright, looks like I'm using the raw architecture. Yep, it's on. This is the on 64. And why this one is not working? Let's test this one. Go ahead and remove this. That's that's download. Please see what you get here. Okay, sudo debian gdpn. Oh my god. gdpn telegram. Yep, that's the right architecture. Alright, let's finally install the telegram right now. Do this. And then this is what it looks like. Okay, alright. We finally installed both of this, so let's go ahead and do some uninstall stuff. Let's go ahead and remove. I do remember this one is for desktop, same as any sudo apps remove. It's called a remove. Alright, this one is done. Let's go ahead and remove this photo editor. Also with auto remove. And then next one, we go ahead and remove the Google Chrome. I do remember this one is not called Google Chrome, it's called Google Chrome Stable. Alright, let's remove Google Stable. It's underscore, right? Stable. Alright, so I need to find to when we start to configure. Okay, I got this. I need to research how to find that package in the app search is installed. Where is it? To the Ubuntu, just use the page or sudo dpg dash what is it? Google. Alright, something there. DBT for a Google Chrome is not installed. Or I just have to, what is it? Oh, this is not, well, I forgot about this. Anyway, I remember seeing this page. See what package I install. This app list or app list. Alright, let's go with the letter G. Here, so many package. Alright, in this cannot get confused. Let's use it. We go. Wait, what? Google Chrome, Google Chrome. Yeah, there we go. Google Chrome stable. Let's go ahead and sudo add remove. And then let's use auto remove. Apps auto remove. Alright, looks like it's done. And that's how we using manual install packages. So in the next section is we go ahead and use to convert the RPM packages to Debian packages because RPM packages are typically used by CentOS and any methods like Graph and Clojure, some stuff. I will see you guys in the next session. One. All right. Hello. So we're back. So in the next session, we go ahead and using converting the RPM packages into Debian packages because in Ubuntu we need the Debian packages in order to install the application. So now what you need to do, you need to install the alien. In this alien command, it can convert the RPM packages to Debian packages. But is I will not recommend that because somehow it's not working in this patches and also it's very difficult to find the right one. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and find the Opium package. So I'm trying to find the dot Opium. This is dot Debian. We can use that. Just use. I remember we can use for this three. One. Let's find the. I remember is x66 and underscore 64 RPM like that. Let's go ahead and download this. I go ahead and remove this one. This moves to the recycle bins. Okay. Because y is underscore RP, I mean is download RPM fusion is third party. Alright, it doesn't matter. Binary package or I can use source. Just use source. Alright, layout sudo wget. I hope this thing is not work. This SRC RPM. I think this one. But yeah, let's go ahead and just testing this one. Alright, one is done. Let's go ahead and use sudo alien option B and then let's put this paragraph. Alright, it says one. This isn't really like difficult to convert it, but I do not recommend. But it's actually like somehow some of these application doesn't support in your deep I think like Ubuntu or some stuff. But it's like alright, somehow it's not working. I think this one is working now. Alright, let's use sudo to debian diagram. Wait, oh, it's underscore 47. Yeah. The error was caused by processing diagram. Okay. Alright, let's use another command. Let's just use dkdp slash install telegram. Yeah, we do have some error, and this one is let's use the error processing package for desktop and install. I already installed this. Alright, that's really difficult. Alright, let's move on to another. Let's install this code. Uh-huh. Let's use this Opium Fusion. It's actually the same thing. Alright, it's gonna take like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Alright, we're finally done. Let's go ahead and use begin. Let's go install this spot. Oh shit. Way off. Fuck use alien. Damn it. I forgot to what that. Dash D is spot. We need to convert that. Alright, it might take a while because it's really too long. I'm going first. Let me go. Okay, we'll now officially convert it, and then let's go ahead and use our so then let's copy this. Settings, GDBin here. Oh, I think it's working. Yep, one down. Yeah, it must be lucky. Yes, you update. Yep. Oh, we need to download all of this. Uh, I'll figure it out. Maybe later. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I think it's like finally installed that, but it's really difficult to do that. Right. It doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and install some. Let's go to install, but I can do the last one. I do not recommend that. Let's close this. Let's use the one. This one right there. Let me download. CD that we get. Alright, once we're done, let's go ahead and convert it. Alien Rashi and file. Let's convert that. And what I think what the size is. Alright, it's done. Let's see the file. See the C and see G Debian here. Alright, it's done. I hope it's gonna work. There we go. I feel like it's stuck. It's stuck. And that is the worst thing. We cannot convert packages, but somehow it's not working. But it depends on the other OS also. But I'm using the Ubuntu LTS latest version. But until clear in this session, I'm going to done finish this session, so we go ahead and move to another session. We go ahead and install by zip file, and then in order to install zip file by GitHub, and then it's really hard to remove, but I hope we can do this by smoothly. So I'll see you guys in the next session. One, hello everyone, welcome back to another session. In this session, we go ahead and install using grip. I think it's using the file compiler with the instruction. So let's go ahead. So in my system, I have this one in order to do that. So let's go ahead and extract the file. And let's go ahead and extract to this. I think it should be mentioned. Anyways, okay, is this for? Let's go ahead and do this. Oh, this spot. And let's go ahead and extract. two, and then go to here, select, and now it's being extracted right now. And we're here. Once we're here, let's open the command, and then in order to using the zip file, in order to do that, you have to install the external in this command. It means that you have to install the compiler of any languages that they use to use all this file configuration, sort of like that. All right, let's go ahead and install this. All right, I've been stuck by this following from sending up the do I need to scan? All right, I need to remove the auto reboot. Yep, finally remove that. Yep, I finally installed this one. Let's go back to this prompt. In order to do that, you have to go inside this folder, and then let's use dot slash config. We just have a config, right? Let's check it out. Alright, it looks like we don't have configuration file. No, it has desktop, and then what is it? This is language. This is resource. Some stuff. Resource map. VK desktop. Discord. Oh my god, how do I install this? Easy to install. Let's follow the instruction here. Using snap. Alright. So we extract this. So do this one. We have to symbolize the folder. Step 5. We launch this application. Over. Method 1, install the flathead. Method 2, distribution, debug package, updating Discord, as extract here, with it. I need to create the Discord command binary and create icon. And then remove this. Your desktop file is ready. You need to move to the share directory. Oh my god. 3 create symbol. Oh, oh, it's so deep. deep. All right, I'm gonna forget this one. Let's go ahead and Telegram. Let's go to Telegram. We have the Telegram. I think the update. How do I do that? Telegram. Alright, so using this packet share.zip and double click Telegram button inside to launch. Oh, so that's mean double click on this. And then we will run this execution file. Okay, this is the very easy to use, but honestly, it's not recommended. It's really difficult. All right, for the next one, we're going to skip. I think it should. I hope this one is really easy to install. Just wait for here, and then we have like many file conflicting. Just use it. All right, looks about it. Let's go ahead and install this one. Slash complete. Wait, what? Oh, here. Sorry. Um, what slash complete? Yep, that's right. It looks like this because it's using your instant is all you need to use an or later. It doesn't matter. Let's make and then sudo make install. No rules may target install. Alright, what in install? So installation groups and use like this. And just follow the command. And now as a root, install. If this package icon file is using just follow that instruction. Permission denied. Here and here. It should be removed. But yeah, I have found that what I hope I gained experience to do this installation. But yeah, that's about it. This is how you guys how to install the using TLC file. Yeah, according to my experience, I'm very weak about how to install this zip file. But honestly, this using this kind of instruction is really difficult to install. You have to follow the instruction in order to install it, those of this kind of application. Yeah, that was about this video also. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to click that the subscribe button for more uh learning session about Linux. So thank you guys so much. As always, I will see you guys